Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's just Nene here, and today I decided to give you guys like a mini tutorial on me doing my client brows. I know I haven't been uploading in a minute. It's just been a lot going on, but I can't wait to explain everything to you in the video once I get settled in and back home. So I haven't been home for I want to say about 3 weeks now. It's been about 3 weeks. I'm about to be here for another. I'm about to be here for like another 2 weeks. So it's just like I'm about to drop a video and give you guys all the. I'm just gonna let you guys know what's been going on basically, But yeah, so today I'm doing my friend's makeup. She's about to go to the studio. So hit her up on Instagram, Boss Lady Ju. She's a rapper. And right now, I just went in with Morphe pencil and Java. And I filled in her brows. And now I'm going in with Fawn, and I'm using this flat brush to conceal her brows. I don't know if you guys are watching, I think her name is Lachey Glams on YouTube. She has really helped me as far as having like the perfect brows. I've been practicing a lot, especially I've been going with her technique instead of what I've been doing, just to see the difference. And then I've also been trying it on other people, and so this is what I'm doing right now. So I hope you guys like this mini tutorial. It's not a long video, but I will be dropping other videos that I've been recording, so stick around for that. Also, thank you guys very much for 173 subscribers. You guys are the best. We're almost at 200. Thank you for bearing with me and sticking around and not unsubscribing. Yeah, thank you so much, you guys. So yeah, now I'm doing the other brows. I was recording the whole look, but my camera died, so I just thought maybe I shouldn't upload the other half of the video. All I did was her eyeshadow liner, and I applied some lashes, and then my camera died once I was applying foundation. So I'm just gonna give you guys this mini tutorial on eyebrows, since I never do my clients' eyebrows on camera like that, or mine's. So yeah. I can't wait to get back into uploading videos and sharing with you guys all that I've learned for the past few months, new techniques that I've tried. So and this is about it, you guys. This is how I do my clients' brows now. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for everything. And thank you to all my new subscribers. I will definitely be back, and I will be uploading more videos for you guys. Love you guys. Bye.